Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money from Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon website. Once you're in the website, click on the three dots at the top right corner and switch to desktop site. Now, to know how to make money from Amazon, scroll all the way down and you can see make money with us. Here, now we can make money from Amazon by selling on Amazon, selling apps on Amazon, supplying to Amazon and so on. So now, choose any of the topic you want to make money from and follow the instruction from Amazon. If you want to know more about this, you can watch our videos on these topics by checking out on our channel. And that's it. That's how you can make money on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.